Flying in a hot air balloon is one of the most epic experiences ever. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the incredible experience I had flying in a hot air balloon for the first time. I was excited and slightly nervous about flying in the balloon, eager to get up in the sky, while wondering if I was acrophobic. Before my flight, I read about hot air balloon rides and watched a few videos as well. I needed to have some physical fitness to acclimatize to the altitude and what might be cold weather conditions, so decided on some military style exercises before the trip. Fun fact, the first hot air balloon passengers were a rooster, a duck and a sheep. Interesting. So to get more familiar with hot air balloons, I attended the Northampton Hot Air Balloon Festival, which is one of the largest balloon festivals in the UK. The weather conditions weren't great, so there weren't as many balloons present. However, it was still a sight seeing the few balloons lift off and cruise along in the sky. After witnessing the Northampton Balloon Festival, I couldn't wait to get on one. I had booked a flight with the Crazy Bear hot air balloon, a premium balloon experience that takes off from the Crazy Bear Hotel in Southampton. The hotel is a stunning place with a quirky feel and has bars, terraces and a farm shop that sells rare breed meats reared from the hotel's own farm. I digested the essential information, which included things like arrival time, what to wear, and duration of flight. Indeed, the weather conditions meant that I had to reschedule my initial booking to a day when the wind speed was conducive for the flight. On the day of the flight, I was greeted with tea and pastries and a warm welcome at the hotel. There I met our pilot, Spencer Craze, who has been a CAA approved pilot for over 20 years. He explained the safety procedures and what to expect from the flight. The feeling of flying in a hot air balloon is out of this world. It's like floating on a cloud but in a controlled way. You can feel the sun on your face and the thrill in your heart. You can see everything from a different perspective, as if you were looking at a giant painting. We flew over the beautiful Oxfordshire countryside, enjoying the views of fields, rivers, villages and farms. We reached an altitude of 3,000 feet, which is higher than most buildings in London. The pilot told us some more facts about hot air balloons. For instance, they can change direction by finding different wind currents. After about an hour of flying, it was time to land. Spencer looked for a suitable spot to touch down. He lowered the balloon gradually by releasing some hot air from the envelope. As we got closer to ground, we were required to bend our knees and hold on to the handles inside the basket. We approached the ground smoothly and gently. The basket bounced slightly as it hit the earth. We packed up the balloon and followed the ground crew who were tracking us back to the hotel. We toasted to our amazing adventure and thanked the pilot and the crew for their excellent service. That was my first hot air balloon flight, and it sure will not be the last. It was a remarkable experience, and I highly recommend it to anyone who loves to try new things and see the world from a different angle. If you want to book a flight with a Crazy Bear hot air balloon, you can find their website in the description below. Please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching and see you next time.